In this video, I'm going to show you how to like or heart a text on iPhone. So if you don't want to reply to a text with like a yes, sure, or whatever, you can just like it to let that person know that you have noticed their message. And how to do it, you basically open up your messages app and let's just send a new message. From there, you want to long hold and you will see all of these options. So you have a heart, thumbs up, thumbs out, haha, question mark, and 2 exclamation and a question mark. If I just click on the thumbs up, boom, there are thumbs up now. If I click on heart, there's a heart now. So you can have 2 at the same time. You can have only 1, but that's how you do it basically. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.